First of all, through this means, I would like to get all of you the information about how the traffic rules have been violated in Pondicherry and the general trend of Puducherrians where the people are rash and negligent in driving, and there is a lot of traffic violations which are happening in Pondicherry. In regard of this, in 2019 September, there was a new MV Act which has come up, and later recently we have notified the compounding offences. So we have been effectively enforcing that since that last month it was notified. So since that we have been effectively enforcing it on the ground. If you see the number of fatalities which are happening in Puducherry, last year about 145 people have lost their lives. Out of them, 107 people were two-wheelers, and all of them didn't have their helmets on, and all of them have passed away because they didn't have any helmets. It was about 75% of all the fatalities. So if at all we all wear helmets, seat belts, the fatalities will reduce by 80%. Apart from that, there are other kind of violations like triple riding, cell phone driving, wrong side driving, overspeeding. These are the major causes of concern. I request you all through this way to kindly follow the traffic rules. Every life is precious, and we are all here on the ground ensuring your safety. For your information, I would like to read out some of the traffic offences and what are the enforcement charges which we penalize in case we find someone who is violating those. For example, the helmet and seat belt. It is a 1,000 rupees fine and also 3 months of DL suspension. So if you get a helmet challan, 3 months you will be not able to drive your vehicle. In case you drive, there will be a proper case on you because you will be driving without a valid DL and you will be dangerous and recklessly driving. So it is better, let us not get into this kind of situation. First of all, it is for your own safety. Other traffic violations are, if you have excess passengers, if we see in the buses, they overspeed and also they carry excess passengers even in the 7-seater vehicle. So if you have excess passenger, it is 200 per passenger fine will be there. If you have excess carriage which is extending over the body, projecting over the body, it is 20,000 rupees is a fine. Another major violation which we found is the minor driving. If at all some parent allows a minor to drive a vehicle, there is 25,000 rupees fine, and also it is a non-compoundable offence where a case will be registered and also the vehicle will be impounded. So I request all the parents here to make sure that they don't give away their vehicles to minors. Apart from this, without RC and without fitness, it is 2,000 rupees each. If you are racing, then it is 5,000 rupees fine. Cell phone driving and overspeeding is 1,000 rupees each. Overspeeding in case of two-wheelers, it is 1,000 rupees. Overspeeding in case of buses, it is 2,000 rupees. If you alter your bike or any kind of motor vehicle, it is 5,000 rupees fine. Allowing unauthorized person to drive, like in this case, I told you, minor driving and also anyone who doesn't have a DL. If an owner is allowing that, 5,000 rupees fine is there for that. If you don't cooperate with the police and give wrong information or don't disobey the orders, there are additional fine for that, 1,000 rupees each. There are separate lights which can be used for MV motor vehicle. So if you use any kind of colored lights, so there is a offense, and we will be challaning 500 rupees for that. Autos, as you know, they have been charging excess fare, and also they don't have their fare meters ready. For them also there is separate charges. If they don't have their fare meters or they are not working condition, there is a fine of 500 rupees, and in case they charge excess fare, there is a fine of 200 rupees. So I urge you all who are the Puducherrians, wherever you find this kind of behavior from the autos, please take a snapshot of the auto and send us the details so that we will be ensuring that they will put a challan on them. Please call in 112 and 1100. All these toll-free numbers are available. And if you want your identity to be not to be disclosed, 1031 also, we can please call, and we will ensure that the challan is made to the concerned auto person. And also, if you are doing improper parking, this is also one of the major concern in Puducherry. People improperly park various places. Wherever there is no parking, board is clearly mentioned. In spite of that, they park it. For that, there is a challan of 200 rupees. So various challans are available for us. But I would like to urge you all, why to get into such situation where we will be paying such challan. These are all available for our safety. Let us be a responsible Puducherrian and ensure that we follow the traffic rules. Give all your support to traffic police and other stakeholders like transport and revenue, other stakeholders, so that our intention is to make you safe and we make Puducherry safe. Kindly extend your help and make us successful in this. Thank you.